Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Time to modify my early build. I don't like really the fans to be in the center and the SSDs on the side, so I'm going to see if the tubing is long enough and try to move the fans all the way to the right. So I took the computer apart, and like I said, I don't like the fans to be in the middle. It doesn't look nice. They should be here on the right side, and I'll put the SSDs in here. This will allow us to see the LED effects from the motherboard in here that are currently hidden because of this big fan. So if I cannot move it over here, I'm going to cut these tubes here and get extensions from my local Home Depot and see what kind of setup I can do here with this. So we'll try. So this is the new setup. I was able to move the fans on the side without cutting and making the tubing longer. It's a bit, well, it's a bit tight, this one here especially, but it's still flexible, so I'm going to tie them together. So I removed the three brackets that I had before, that I had bought separately for the Core P5 case, and I put my SSDs, as you can see, in the middle here. So I had to put this one sideways because there is no room here for the SATA power cable. So yeah, we'll see now if everything works well, and we should have a better view of the motherboard LED setup. As you can see in the back here, because of all the cables from the fans for the water cooling system, there are in total of 6 cables. There is a lot of cable management happening here in the back of that case. So we have the new build. I think it looks much better with the fans on the right side. So now we have a clear view of the LED on the motherboard. And I had to install my SSDs, of course, in the middle. And I have to install one sideways, as you can see, because there's not enough room on the side here for the SATA power cable. So I may try to find an adapter and try to install that horizontally. So this is a difference from what we had before. I think this looks better. So tell me what you think, guys, in the comments below, and thank you for watching. See you next time.